Welcome to Cacao Wisdom, a place of self-reflection, self-practice, and self-realization with cacao. I hope you have your cup of cacao with you today. Today we're going to be doing something special, something extra special. We're going to be combining the energy of cacao, of the cacao spirit, with the energy of crystals, crystalline energy. So I invite you to maybe stop the video at this moment, go find a crystal, go find something that's calling you today. I know some of you may have many crystals. Just pick one and bring it back to this practice, and we'll work together alchemically with these two beautiful energies. So what led me to wanting to do this? It was my birthday a little while ago, and two friends wanted to buy me a crystal for my birthday. So we went to the store, and I knew immediately I wanted a Lemurian, right? So the one that I was holding, this is a Lemurian crystal, very clear, pure, and it has certain qualities associated with it. It's very powerful. It is associated with spiritual knowledge and energy, and it provides a sense of unity and connectedness and oneness, all beautiful, beautiful qualities. It's very much etheric, sort of associated with the crown chakra, with your intuition, your third eye. So those are its general qualities, and every crystal has qualities associated with it, right? Certain kinds of healing, certain kinds of guidance or wisdom that comes with it, and that's all beautiful. But what I want us to do today, with the help of cacao, is to really tune into the energy of the crystal itself, because I'm going to show you, I have two Lemurians, this one, which to me, when I held it in my hands, felt very pure, very ascendant, as you can see with its peak, and very clarifying. So I hold this when I'm meditating to really receive that clarity, the wisdom that comes from clarity. And then the second Lemurian that I received as a gift is this one, very different, right? It looks very different. It has actually a manifestation seed crystal inside, which is very powerful because you can use it, work with it to manifest what you would like. This one felt much more in my body. I felt connected to my Kundalini energy, to my life force energy. And so I often will meditate first with this crystal, and then I'll follow with this crystal to really ground it into my body. And also I just feel it awakens literally my life force, right? That's flowing, the energy that's flowing through my body. So I love combining these two crystals. So I'm receiving both the inherent qualities of the Lemurian, but then also the energy that is, particular to my relationship with the crystal itself. So today what we're going to do is we're going to do a little meditation with a crystal, just to feel into that energy, receive its healing, receive its guidance and its wisdom. So first, let's drink some cacao. All right, just close your eyes. Begin to tune into the energy of cacao. It's compassionate, loving, connecting energy, connecting us to our hearts, to Mother Earth, to Spirit, all at the same time. Just really feel into that for a moment. Feel yourself coming into presence with your body, with your heart, with your soul. And then honoring the spirit of cacao, we're going to take our first sip. Just allowing that liquid love to come into our bodies, attuning us to its energy. And you can keep sipping your cacao. And then what I invite you to do as a practice then is to take your crystal in your hands. And you can follow, just watch me now and come back to this later after you've had your cacao. So those two come together in a beautiful marriage, beautiful alchemy. So simply hold the crystal in your hands, in your lap, and close your eyes. Continue just to tap into the presence of your body, allowing your focus and your attention to first come there, releasing anything that needs to be released that is in the way of being fully present in this moment. Simply allow that to be given over to Mother Earth or to Spirit. And once you feel clear of that energy, begin to tune into the energy of the crystal. Focus your attention there. And begin to notice any physical sensations you may have in your body. Whatever that is, it will show up uniquely for each of us. Right now I'm being drawn upwards with this clarifying, purifying crystal. And I'm also feeling tingling down my legs, just feeling very attuned, very aligned, very vertical. So just feel into how your body is responding to the crystalline energy at this moment. And simply notice and receive. Open to receive the healing and the guidance of this crystal. You may notice a certain energy center or chakra that is being activated. And again, simply notice and focus on that. And as you continue to open, allow, and receive this connection to the crystalline energy, you can either simply stay here in this place of receptivity, receiving whatever healing and guidance it wants to bring to you in this moment, or you can choose to ask a question, a powerful question, something that you're seeking inner wisdom or healing about. And simply give that over to the crystal. And allow whatever wants to be spoken to you, through you, to emerge in this beautiful alchemical relationship with cacao and your crystal. And simply allow that word or image or phrase to come forth from deep within you, from this deep connection. And then take a moment to reflect on that message. And then express your gratitude whenever you're ready to the cacao spirit and its energy, to your beautiful crystal and its crystalline energy, thanking it for bringing you whatever wisdom, guidance, and medicine you most needed in this moment. And feel free to play around with different crystals, or stay with the one for a little while. I know I begin my day with each of these two beautiful crystals, and it just sets the tone for the day, right? It's a beautiful way with cacao to begin your morning. So, thank you for joining me. Keep playing, having fun with your crystals and with cacao, and we'll see you next time.